Bob here. Here's a follow-up film on one I had on it. What happens when your engine explodes? It isn't good. Anyway, the blower does usually suffer a bit of damage. You'll get a lot of debris going back through the intake tract. Kind of havoc on your rotor pack. And the case too can take quite a bit of damage. There's been times where big chunks get in there and it's done. Most often we can fix them like I spoke about. This is one I showed you in that earlier clip that went through a motor explosion, and we got it done, ready to assemble. The rotor pack, you can see now, looks like brand new. We welded some spots, filed it, put it through a coating process, oven baked, and the rotors have been put in a case and phased. That's too complicated to really explain in this short video, but we'll probably have a short video about that in the future. And go on to the front drive. There's the front drive here. It'll get disassembled, checked for shaft for straightness, everything mic'd out, all new bearing seals, surface checked, and that's a front drive. It's not a snap. So anyway, then we'll supply it with the new coupler, and the pulley itself has also been checked for straightness and run out, stripped, and it's been painted and baked on too. So that's really nice. Looks like brand new. The case will be, we smooth the case out, and it's like blueprinting. You start blueprinting something, you got to get in there. You got to see where you got rubbing, different things going on. You want to get everything clearance properly and set up, and make sure all your mounting surfaces are square and smooth. You don't want an oil leaker. And it'll also have if needed, it'll also get a surface paint that's baked. And this is our black. People really like the black that we do. Boom, see that? It's a little rough. It's kind of medium flat. That's popular. So now this is going to go back together, back to the customer. He's going to be ready to go. He has his engine, all redone, waiting for the blower. It's been in there a couple of weeks, and we'll get this back, get it shipped today. And watch out for my short videos. We're doing a bunch of short ones. And I think I'll do another one this week on a lower Cobra intake that you're going to enjoy. Thanks.